The allure of the backwood viburnum, a gardener's guide. For years, I'd been on the hunt for a shrub that could add a touch of elegance and fragrance to my garden. After much browsing and deliberation, I stumbled upon the backwood viburnum, and it was love at first sight, or should I say, first sniff? This beauty boasts not only stunning visuals but also an intoxicating aroma that fills the air come spring. But before I eagerly brought one home, I delved deeper to understand its needs and ensure it would thrive in my garden. Here, I share my learnings about the backwood viburnum, hoping to guide fellow gardening enthusiasts like myself. See more 206 species in genus Viburnum at monsteraholic.com. Backwood viburnum versus Korean spice. I've grown backwood viburnum in my garden, and its subtle fragrance and dense foliage have always been a delight. Korean spice viburnum, on the other hand, has a more pronounced spicy scent that fills the air beautifully in early spring. Mohawk viburnum versus backwood viburnum. When I compared Mohawk viburnum to backwood viburnum, I noticed that Mohawk had a more compact growth habit and brighter red berries. Backwood, while lovely, had a slightly more open growth and less vibrant fruit, though its evergreen leaves were always a strong point. Is backwood viburnum fragrant? Absolutely. This is perhaps the most captivating feature of the backwood viburnum. In early spring, it explodes with clusters of pinkish-white flowers that emit a delightful spicy sweet fragrance. It's a true sensory treat, transforming your garden into a haven of perfume. How fast does backwood viburnum grow? The backwood viburnum is a patient grower, typically adding 12 to 18 inches per year. While it might not be the fastest on the block, its steady growth ensures a well-established, long-lasting addition to your landscape. Is backwood viburnum evergreen? This depends on your climate. In warmer zones, USDA zones 7 and 8, the backwood viburnum can retain some of its foliage throughout winter, earning its semi-evergreen status. However, in colder regions, it sheds its leaves, revealing its graceful branching structure. Is backwood viburnum deer-resistant? This is good news for gardeners like me who often find their prized plants devoured by deer. The backwood viburnum, thankfully, is not particularly appealing to these herbivores. While deer might occasionally nibble on it, they're more likely to leave it untouched and move on to tastier treats. Where to plant backwood viburnum? The backwood viburnum thrives in a location with full to partial sun. It appreciates well-drained soil and can tolerate a range of soil types, from slightly acidic to slightly alkaline. When choosing a spot, consider its mature size, reaching around 8 to 10 feet tall and 6 to 7 feet wide, and ensure it has ample space to grow without crowding other plants. How to care for backwood viburnum? The backwood viburnum is a low-maintenance shrub that rewards you with minimal effort. Regular watering, especially during the first year after planting, is crucial for its establishment. Once established, it's quite drought-tolerant. A light application of fertilizer in early spring can further encourage healthy growth and flowering. Pruning can be done after flowering to maintain its desired shape and size. How to propagate backwood viburnum? If you want to expand your collection of backwood viburnums, you can propagate them through softwood cuttings taken in early summer. Alternatively, hardwood cuttings taken in late winter can also be successful. What to plant with backwood viburnum? The backwood viburnum's elegant form and fragrant blooms make it a versatile companion for other plants. Here are a few ideas. Spring flowering bulbs, daffodils, tulips, and hyacinths create a colorful display alongside the backwood viburnum's early blooms. Summer blooming perennials, astilbes, ferns, and hostas provide textural contrast and visual interest throughout the summer months. Evergreen shrubs, combine the backwood viburnum with hollies or boxwoods for year-round greenery. Is backwood viburnum native? The backwood viburnum is not native to North America. It's a hybrid originating from the crossing of Viburnum carlesii and Viburnum utile, both native to East Asia. However, it has adapted well to various growing conditions in North America and makes a beautiful addition to gardens across the continent. With its captivating fragrance, attractive flowers, and low-maintenance nature, the backwood viburnum has become a cherished resident of my garden. By following these simple tips, you too can cultivate this delightful shrub and enjoy its beauty for years to come.